Hello, I'm Mitch with 85 Bookkeeping, and I just wanted to do a quick tutorial for you DIY bookkeepers out there. So a lot of my clients have a situation where they pay for business expenses out of a personal account. So I just wanted to show you how you can record those business expenses in QuickBooks, since they're not going to show up in the business accounts that you have linked in your bank feed. So what you need to do is enter a journal entry. So you go to new journal entry, and then you're going to input it here. Now I already started a journal entry, so I can show you exactly what I do. So set the date for the month you're entering the expenses for. It doesn't have to be the exact day you paid for the expense on. And then enter each expense as a debit and choose the correct account. So I just use an example here. Maybe you paid for your LinkedIn subscription on your personal credit card. Maybe you bought a few things off Amazon with your personal credit card. Maybe your cell phone payment comes out of your personal bank account. So I went through and added each of those expenses as a debit, choose the correct expense category, and then offset the total to owner's equity. Your equity account might be set up as something different. Maybe it's owner's pay and personal expense, distribution. Ultimately, you want it to be your equity account that you use for personal draws. Once you have that done, you can add in any memos you want, add in any attachments. I usually put on a receipt, maybe a bank statement, save and close. And then just for reference, this is an example QuickBooks account, so you're not going to see a lot of activity, but if you go to your profit and loss, that journal entry you just entered is going to show up right here. So here are the expenses. There's that LinkedIn subscription, your Amazon purchases, your cell phone. And if you're wondering where the equity offset shows up, if you go to your balance sheet, you're going to see it in owner's equity. So that amount won't show up on your profit and loss, only the expenses. So hopefully that's helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Follow for more tips and tricks, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.